So I'm here with Joanne Seminara of Grimaldi and Young, and she is an attorney focusing on estates and wills, and she's going to tell you a little bit about herself and her firm. Go ahead, Joanne.
Hi, Julie. My name is Joanne Seminara. I'm an attorney in practice for 28 years. I'm currently with this wonderful law firm of Grimaldi and Young. We specialize in elder law, and we have an elder law, special needs, and estate planning practice. It's a community practice. We help people sort out their financial issues, their healthcare issues, their planning issues, so that they are protected during their lifetime, and then when they get toward the end of their life, their property passes to their loved ones in as simple and seamlessly as possible. We meet many people who come here very confused, not knowing where to begin. We help them organize all of their documents and their assets and give them a very clear roadmap as to how they can achieve financial security with regard to their health issues, perhaps with regard to their family members who might need special types of documents so that they are protected. Some people come in here when it's obvious to them that they're going to need home care or nursing home care, or have special needs that require specialized care that they cannot afford. And even if they can afford it, they often need to protect assets to provide those supplemental things that government assets or their health insurance plans or their other protective plans are not going to supply. We're 6 women attorneys. All of us are close to the community. I've been very active in the community for about 30 years. With the community board, about 17 years. I chaired the board for 3.5 years. I do it because it's part of who I am. It was the way I was raised. Been part of many, many community organizations, raised my children in the community. So I feel very tied to the community in the giving of legal services, helping people solve their problems, giving them peace of mind, as well as dealing with day-to-day problems in the community through the work that I do outside the office.
And Joanne, could you tell us a little bit about, you've come up with a book or something you've written called 5 at 55, and I'd like you to talk a little bit about that. I see you have the pamphlet here, and I'd like to, can you show it to everybody, please, and tell us a little bit about it.
Together with Judith Grimaldi of our law firm, we have developed a campaign that we call 5 at 55. It focuses on educating lay people in their mid-50s, at 55 we say, of the need to start planning and executing, meeting with a qualified attorney and doing their estate planning documents, executing a power of attorney, which is so essential if you become ill or disaster should strike, so that someone can help care for you. A healthcare proxy, a living will, a will or a trust, or some type of plan, so that if you are faced with a tragic situation, or even if you're ill temporarily, your needs have been addressed in some way. So we see many people who come in to our office, unfortunately too late to really protect themselves in the way that is optimal and protect their legacy for their children. So we're trying to we are doing a campaign, and Judy and I have written a book which is going to be published on 5/15/2015. It's called 5 at 55, Legal Tools for Midlife Planning, where we tell the stories of our practice and we show people the importance of each of the documents that we think are critical for anyone who's reaching their midlife to have, if they don't have them already. It's very, very basic, but it makes the world of difference if you're faced with a crisis. And as you get older, as we age, some of us becoming disabled, unfortunately, it helps you be ready for those events. Just like you buy home insurance or you buy car insurance, we see this as a type of insurance, and we're seeking to change the mindset of people who think they don't need it, or that someday will come and they'll take care of it. Sometimes someday is too late, and we want people to be protected while they can make good decisions, while they're not in a crisis situation, where they can develop a relationship with an attorney who's working for their best interest and help them really make the decisions that are best for their life.
And while Joanne, I say, you obviously have a reputation that precedes you and your law firm as well, I know you get a lot of your business by referral and recommendation, and we're actually in the same business group where we refer a lot of business to one another, which is a wonderful thing. Would you say that a lot of your clients are from the community, or do they come from all over, or where are most of your clients from?
Most of my clients are from Brooklyn. Some of my clients are from Manhattan. And it is word of mouth. It's a greatly satisfying practice. It means the world when someone says, Joanne, I am so much at ease. When I came here, I didn't know what to do, and now I'm leaving with peace of mind. Especially when you meet someone who's single or alone or doesn't really have anybody to lean on or discuss matters with. You develop that personal relationship. You help them figure it out for as long as it takes, step by step. Make sure they understand it. And then, send them on their way in a much better shape with the peace of mind that we've done the best that we can for them, and they can rest assured that their affairs are taken care of. It's really extremely gratifying.
Well, I know I personally feel extremely comfortable referring you, and I know everyone else who knows you does as well. So I would like to say that hopefully by also having this video out there, we can have even more people who would want to be speaking to you about planning their future. And I want to thank you for your time today, but before we go, I do want to focus on the wall behind you, and I just want to show the awards, various awards that were given to your firm.
Yes.
So we have some super lawyers, excellence in practice, best lawyers, I'm sorry.
Yes.
And another Super Lawyers Award. So obviously you can refer this firm with confidence and feel comfortable when you do, and look forward to seeing more of you in the future. Thank you for your time today, Joanne.
Thanks so much, Julie.
Okay, you're welcome.